Peruvian chicken. It's time to check it out. I don't know what to get. Some of it is in Spanish. Some of it looks good. So I'll go order something. Peruvian chicken. I got a quarter chicken with fried rice, egg, and green beans. I got extra sauce. I got medium. And I got a Coca-Cola made with real sugar. All right, so let's check this out. With the chicken. Oh, it's really tender. Look at how easy it is to break. And wow, how easy that is. Very easy. Look at that. Easy as pie. Beans are very tender. All right, so let me take a look at this. All right, I'm gonna try the chicken without the sauce or anything else first. Very good, very tender. I'm not sure the flavor is really unique. I can't place it, but I do like it. The rice just tastes like regular fried rice that I've had to eat.
Oh, thank you.
There's a lot of scallions and egg, some red pepper. So maybe that's going to be the difference. Well, the chicken is very good, very tender. I do like it. I'll try the green beans. Everything's really warm. Even though everything is over there, it's like pre-made, but I still like it. Tastes very good. All right, so let's try this sauce out. Yeah, here's the sauce. It's pretty mild. So I normally don't eat skin, but I'm gonna try this. That was good. Alright, so I'm going to use the sauce as a dipping. Actually, what I should do is all the rice over here. Put all the rice over. Put the sauce in the rice. And then take the chicken off like that. Remember, I only have one hand because I'm using my cell phone. And so I'm going to take it and just dip it right in there like this. Get a little bit of the rice, a little bit of the chicken. It's really good. Peruvian chicken. And I've seen this place before, but I never really stopped by until now. But wow, now I taste the kick. It is hot. At first I thought it was medium, and I tasted it. It really didn't do me any justice, any good, for being a medium sauce. But it's good. I can definitely handle it hot. I came in, there was a handful of people seated and in line. And it's a steady come in, come out. So I guess it is good. So I do recommend coming here. I also saw on the menu lamb And so I would try that also. There's all the different things they had. Fish, I can see in the menu. Multiple things to eat. So, Peruvian chicken is just delicious. So, finish up here. Until next time.